So hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Stephanie and I do makeup tutorials. This is the look we're going for today. It's something teal, something blue. We're using the Huda Beauty. I just want to make it like where we won. Me and Huda. This is a very beautiful palette, and this is also the first palette I've owned from Huda Beauty, and I am so excited that the shadows worked out so beautifully. They're so soft and so creamy, and like this is just like tip of the iceberg of like what I will recreate with this shadow, with this palette. And I feel like it even like bounces from the, I feel like it even matches with the backdrop a little bit, like teal and blue, those kind of like complementary colors. That's what it is. I took art and I don't even know this level. Miss Rhoda would be so mad at me right now. If you guys are interested in learning how to recreate this look, then please make sure you are subscribed to this channel. Make sure you have hit the bell, and then make sure you have given me a thumbs up, and I will be sure to come out with many more. That's what I'm for. I love doing these types of looks. I think they're very flattering. They're very easy because it's just one shadow. Except for the inner corner, that's a different shadow. That's what I'm about. I'm about teaching you guys easy, simple, breezy, beautiful, simple cover girl. I'm gonna wash this off, and I film at 1 a.m. specifically for this reason. I guess that's about it. Other than that, just make sure you guys are staying safe. Make sure you guys are practicing social distancing. I love you guys. So we're gonna do a look with the Mercury Retrograde. Huda Beauty. Is this not the coolest thing? Wait, look. In my hair? Are we the same person? Oh my god, it's so beautiful. These pearly shades, Gold Glitch, and there's Supermoon. Oh, what about this one? What do you call it? Supernova? It's like a pinky gold, a rose gold, but like... Okay, we're gonna be using this palette, but I don't want to use any of these pinky shades. I kind of want to go more towards this turquoise, because I feel like that's kind of what I'm missing. Like, I have a bunch of pink looks, I have a bunch of purpley looks. I don't have a mauve look, as far as no, I don't have a mauve look. That's definitely gonna be something I do with this palette, maybe on my IG. In case you don't follow me. So first things first, we're gonna prime our skin with the Coconut Photo Focus. How do I film a TikTok now? Oh, shh. I'm gonna do like a little snippet just for TikTok, and then I'll do the rest for us time. And then for us, and then this is where we flip it. Can you just flip it like that? A brush, and we're gonna do the twirly thingy. Okay, and now we're gonna fix it. So we grab the Kylie Jenner little fluffy brush like this. We're gonna grab, or more so pack on the color. You can even do this with your fingers, honestly. I use the brush mainly for the aesthetic for the video. We're gonna blow it out. If you're gonna use a brush, I highly recommend you pack more so than swirl the brush. And fun fact, this is the first Huda Beauty eyeshadow I have ever used. Yeah. I was about to say the palette, but then I was like, wait, I'm using one singular eyeshadow. And then I thought about it, I was like, I did just say, this is the first eyeshadow I ever used from her. So, thank you for joining me on this journey, guys. And the vision I have for this, actually, is sort of a blown out turquoise look, and then wing liner. And now we're gonna attempt at the eyeliner. And this eyeliner's she's easy, she's fine, she's okay. Because the phone is a crappy mirror. You can literally hear me breathing. That's so funny. And then we're gonna wing out the other eye. And yes, my video is currently playing. I don't know how to stop it. I don't know how to just save it. I don't really know what I'm doing. We grabbed our Neutrogena Hydro Boost Cleansing Towelettes. Just basically some makeup remover wipes. And we're gonna work our magic. And to clean up, we're gonna get very, very close to the wing. And we're gonna go right underneath that to make it sharp. Do you see that? Oh my god, it's so much better. Part of me doesn't want to show the rest of my face routine, so I think we're just gonna show our brows and then we're gonna come back with a completed eye look. We can't have this baby dry. She's not $3.99. So right now I'm wiping my eyebrow brush, which is the Morphe E29, on the same makeup wipe I used to clean up the edges of my wig. And I spent the last like 5 minutes trying to remove glue from my lashes. So we're gonna be using our little brush and make sure it's dry. It's dry. We're gonna scoop some of the ABH pomade out. Just grab a little on both sides. Close it because these bad boys dry up and they are not $3.99. And then just scoop it onto the cap. And like that, we just brush the hairs up. We start here in the center and then feather-like strokes or hair-like strokes onto the front of the brow. I will say, using pomade, so much different. It's so slippery. I also do have a tutorial on my IG, so if you're interested in more, like I write on it, I give a little bit more detail on what to do and why you're doing what you're doing. So if you're interested in that, make sure you check out my Instagram. And now I'm gonna clean up. Okay, so I don't think I'm gonna show much of the face. So I'm super excited for tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm gonna film another set of videos, but I don't wanna film until this light I ordered comes in. The whole lighting is gonna be like, hopefully not bad, but like you might notice a difference. I'm very excited for that. That's coming for me tomorrow. It's taken a little over a month to get here. It's kind of ridiculous. That hopefully just means to me that it's worth that wait. If not, I will be having some words with some people. Okay, now we're gonna try on our lashes. Hopefully they're dry enough. Wow, putting on lashes is becoming so easy now for me. It's crazy. I might legit start wearing them outside. And then the next one. These are Eyelure, by the way. Wow. It used to take me like a full legit 10 minutes to put these on because they were so slippery. And now, does my face look? Do I look like the black swan or the white swan or any swan or a swan? And then we're gonna do the lower lash line because we have not done her yet. I'm gonna grab the same color, Haze. Kind of want to grab a little bit of Supermoon and just put this in the inner corner. Are you seeing what that's doing to me? Look how cute that looks. Mascara. I want to do mascara on the lower lash line. I think this is very good. Okay guys, this is it. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know that I definitely had a ball. I think this is definitely the thing that was missing from my channel. You know, I have purples and I have greens and I have mauves and I don't, but I have oranges, I have reds, I have like, you know, I'm getting through the spectrum. I definitely think that this was something I was missing from my channel. I am so glad with how this came out. Definitely did not expect to feel like such a baddie. Do I look good or do I look good? Because I think I look good. I think I look good. Girl, you look good.
Damn, girl, you look good. What you doing later?
I'm definitely proud of myself and how I'm coming along with like putting on lashes and stuff, because if you check back on like any of my other videos, I either refused to wear them or it would take me like a lot of editing and like sped through. It was like so down-putting, and I'm definitely gonna say that practice is key in everything you do in life, because practice key success. So again, I am so glad you guys clicked on this video. If you stayed until the end, thank you for that. I appreciate that so much. I hope you guys have a fabulous day or rest of your night. I will see you guys again on Thursday. And again, don't leave without subscribing, and don't leave without giving this video a thumbs up, and especially do not leave without ringing the bell, so that when I do upload on Thursday again, you guys will be notified. And don't think I've forgotten about that giveaway. I will be announcing all the rules very soon on my Instagram, so make sure you follow me on that. You don't want to miss it. I love you guys so much. Be safe. I'm sending you so many virtual hugs. I will see you in Thursday's video. My stomach like 2 seconds ago just made the gnarliest noise. Wait, nose. Oh my god, this looks so fucking awful.